ever thought of effective ways to save our ecology from wildfire destruction?
This is something more than that we think.
31% of land area is occupied by forest.
Nowadays, the forest fires are going out of control. And the reality is, around 75 million to 820 million hectares of woods are burned in each year.
World wildfires pushed 2018 disaster cost to $91 billion.
That's an eye-opener. Mainly, wildfire is due to the drastic change in atmospheric temperature, soil moisture, and atmospheric pressure. By utilizing this data, we can predict the wildfire. So we set up Fight Fire node inside wildfire prone area. By using Fight Fire Mesh Network, Fight Fire Authority can plan for fire prevention. Simultaneously, the authority can spot the presence of humans and animals in the hazardous area. And here, all the transmission are done by LoRa network. By summarizing, we can reduce the extinction of wildlife using Fight Fire, and this is our vision.
I have two nodes for this project. One is closed and it's open. In one I use hobby sensors, in another I use industrial grade sensors. In this node I use SST1X for soil moisture sensing, BME2804 for temperature sensing, LoRa motion sensor, flame sensor, and a microcontroller. In this node I use hobby sensors like RCC soil moisture sensor, DST114 for temperature sensing, flame sensor, Doppler radar for motion sensing, LoRa, and an Arduino. I send the data from node to the gateway by using LoRa. The gateway acts as a bridge between node and server. The gateway consists of ESP32 and an interface with a LoRa module. From the gateway, the data sends to Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi acts as a local server consisting of InfluxDB database. The data from node stored into the InfluxDB database, and I use MQTT protocol to connect Grafana. Grafana is an open source visualization platform, and we visualize the all data into the Grafana. And finally, the visualized data we can use for machine learning in future to predict wildfire.